We are currently here at the border of town of Pabia and Iloilo City. As you can see, there's the spaghetti wires all over. Look at that. So when will you fix that? During rainy season? And it's a ticking time bomb waiting to happen. All it needs is a big truck. And this is at Ungkaharo, the border of Pabia town here in Iloilo City. You see that? Spaghetti wires. And of course this one. Why put the structure here?